Hi, my budget tech fans. The nice people at Senja were nice enough to send this over to me to review. SG500. They're gaming stereo headphones with noise cancellation. I'm gonna unbox it. I'm gonna check it out. I'm gonna test it out. I'm gonna let you hear it. We'll let you judge. See what you think. It's happening right after this. Alright, let's open this bad boy up. Pretty easy to understand box. Bubble wrap. Always a bonus. Alright, inside the box. Give your handy dandy plugs. Why not? Sure. Here we are. You see the name? Yes, braided cable. They did it right. Nothing worse than somebody who makes headphones with no braided cables.
You despise me, don't you? Well, if I gave you any thought, I probably would.
Man, these got some nice weight to them, dude. They feel very high quality. I will let you be the judge. Cool. L, R. In case you can't remember left and right.
This guy don't know his right from his left. When I say go, we all point to the right. Go! Oh, ambidextrous, eh? What's that?
That happens. I don't judge. It's all good. Oh, nice. When you go to adjust the ears, it's not here, it's here. See? You pull down like that. Pretty sweet. I don't know if you can see it or not. Let me try. There we go. There's a vent right in the back. These are supposed to be noise canceling, along with lots of other goodies. On the cable, you have your button here and your volume here. Lots of cable, lots of length. That's good. And then the plug. I'm gonna hook these up. I'm gonna test them out. I'm gonna let you hear them. Let's see what we think.
Okay, let's just move on.
Okay, here we go. This is what it sounds like. I do have the volume turned all the way up. Here's what it sounds like if you turn the mic on. And you can see when you turn it back on. There you go. I will show a picture right now. In this picture you can see where the one wire from the headphones plugs into the split wire, the green and the pink, that go into the back of your computer. One's for headphone, one's for mic. Cool. Now that we got that out of the way. Yeah. Noise cancellation's pretty good on this. I gotta say, I'm impressed. For $30, 4.3 rating out of 10,346 people. Not bad at all. They're foldable, memory foam ear pads. These are detachable, by the way. Hang on, I'll show you. Yeah, magnetic. They just pop right off. They're very tight fitting, but they're extremely comfortable. 40% lighter, they say, than standard gaming headsets. You can pick up sounds better in these. This works great with Xbox, PC, PS4, PS5, Xbox One, Switch, all that. Yeah, at the end of the day, it's a really great product. And for the price point, you can't beat that. It's not too bad. You could probably get away with 10 to 20 range gain, depending on how soft-spoken of a voice you have. And that's not bad at all. You can use that with software. It's easy, depending on what you record with.
Bye, bye, bye.
Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Hey, if you're new to the channel and you like what you see, hit the subscribe button. Also, if you want to see more videos, click the boxes. See you in the next video.